Citigroup versus HSBC USA, which bank is right for you? This video compares Citigroup and HSBC USA to help you choose. Explore both banks further through the links below. Let's compare features, target users, and overall value. Citigroup excels with robust international banking, perfect for individuals and businesses with global financial needs. It offers multi-currency accounts, international credit cards, and wealth management through Citi Priority and Citigold. These benefit frequent travelers, expats, and those needing global transfers or financial advice. Citigroup's advanced digital platform manages investments, budgets, and transactions seamlessly. HSBC USA, part of the global HSBC network, also serves international customers, but differently. HSBC Premier caters to globally mobile clients needing access to accounts in multiple countries. HSBC emphasizes personal banking with competitive savings, mortgages, and credit cards with travel perks. HSBC's US offerings balance local banking with global access. Its online and mobile platforms are strong, providing easy navigation and essential financial tools. Citigroup caters to higher net worth individuals and businesses seeking a comprehensive international toolkit. HSBC USA suits those valuing both global and domestic options, but not Citigroup's service depth. Citigroup excels in advanced financial planning and global reach for complex needs. HSBC USA offers a simpler, globally connected experience with a strong local presence. Check the links below to see which bank best aligns with your financial goals.